So, what gets people out of bed on a chilly autumn morning? It's a chance to see video conferencing, high definition video conferencing live at the 2009 executive briefing for Telstra Enterprise and Government here in Sydney. So let's go have a look and see what it's all about.
So these executive breakfasts following our transformation give us the capability in a unified way to tell our customers what we've been up to. What does transformation mean? What does Next G mean? What does Next IP mean? And what is next? You know, we did the hologram last year. We're now talking about video conferencing, UC and collaboration.
And we're going to bring up this virtual panel right now. So Good morning, Kevin.
Morning, Paul. How are you?
Good, thank you. Let me just introduce you. This is Kevin Bro. Kevin is the Director of Communications from Microsoft and in Australia. I'm just going to bring in San Jose. Good morning, Sheila. When I hear the Cisco theming, I hear save to invest. Yeah. And I had traditionally thought about technology investment as investing to save. So can you explain a little about the theme?
Yeah, sure. Well, it's definitely save to invest. You know, in today's challenging economic times, we're all looking for those areas where we need to realign our resources, look for productivity, reduce spending on those things that aren't really delivering that sustainable business value. So it really is saving to invest.
What it really is going to do, it's going to enable us to bring the power of networks and software together and offer business solutions to all our customers that ultimately are going to drive productivity, improve employee satisfaction, improve customer satisfaction, and at the end of the day, ultimately lead to more profitability. So I really do think this is one of those things that's going to be a game-changing situation for us here in Australia.
They need to see practical examples, and because they haven't done it all themselves, they're just in early stages of this. So for them to be able to see examples, see other people, see the technology at work, it's great because we can't always bring it into their office. So it's a chance to get them together here.
Well, it's one thing to hear it from Telstra. Let's find out what our customers actually think about it.
I think the peer networking helps a lot, so being able to find out what others are doing and sharing experiences and seeing where we all are on the maturity curve for unified comms or for looking at what we're doing in our ICT shops is a good thing.
The ability to have the video conferencing, the presence awareness and those sort of functions really are allowing us to move forward with a lot of efficiency. I mean, we all know when you travel, the minute you step out of the office, you become 50% efficient. You're waiting in queues, getting out of taxis, not to mention the indirect cost.
I had never seen a video conferencing in such a way. I've always thought of video conferencing that there's always a bit of a lag, because the last time I used it a couple of years ago, there was, you had to say and wait and all that. I think with the technology you presented today, it seems it's a mind shift. In my case particularly, so I'll be going back to the business and now asking and pushing things like, why do we have to travel at all, and can we switch to a video conferencing perhaps? I've seen some of the solutions which you have outside here, and I've already distributed a few of my business cards for your people to come and see us and effectively show us Telstra being a leader in this particular field. How can you help us improve our bottom line?